Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna be doing another Halloween video today. I've been running late on my past few posts because work. I'm very busy this October, which is really sad because I usually plan to do a lot of projects during October, and I got really busy at work this October, which is funny because I think I worked more this year with one job than I did last year with 2 jobs. But maybe, whatever. But I've literally been at work every day. I work at a photography studio and I'm drained. Like, do I look how I feel? Because I feel dead inside. And like, do I just look tired? Because I am. And I'm like severely sleep deprived. And I worked how many hours today? I worked from 9:45 a.m. to 7:15 p.m. today. My break consisted of driving from one studio to the other. That's my life for this entire month, basically. But I still want to get through these last few videos I have planned. Hopefully I can get the one video I have left after this done tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow. I worked however many hours I did today. Math, can't do it. And I'm really here in the middle of night. What is it? It's like, it's 10:20 at night, and I'm trying to get this video in, and it's kind of fitting because today I'm going to be filming some last minute Halloween looks. So if you like didn't have any plans for Halloween like me, but if you just happen to get invited to a Halloween party on the spot and don't have a costume, here's 3 looks that you can put together at the very last minute. I asked people on Instagram what they would want me to do. Someone asked me for a zombie, which I've done a million times before. So, familiarities. Is that a word? I think that's a word. So zombie. Someone asked me to do a deer. I'm not doing a deer, but instead, I'm going to do a skull, which you can't do Halloween without doing at least one skull. Yeah. And number 3, bloody tears, which we're gonna do first. So basically, I'm gonna do each look, but I'm just gonna pile them on top of each one. So first, bloody tears, skull, zombie. Let's throw it all into one. Why not, shall we? Because I'm not washing my face 3 separate times to do 3 separate looks. Porque los nostres. Okay, so yeah. And also, I really wanted to wear a Halloween shirt, so I'm wearing one of my Halloween pieces of clothing for the absolute first time in October, which is ridiculous because I live for October and it's clothing. And this is the first time I've actually gotten to legitimately wear any of my Halloween shirts, and it saddens me to my core. But enough talking. I could sit here and talk forever. Today was a long day, and just F people. That's if you know me in real life, you know that I say I hate people at least 3 times a day. It's like my thing. So let's just go into this. I'm using orange, obviously, because Halloween, and nothing but. I'm literally just gonna cover my eyes in orange. And this needs to go a little faster. Maybe I should use a clean brush. That might help. I'll be back. Alright, so this is it for the last minute Halloween looks. You got your zombie, your skull, your blood, bloody tears, whatever. But yeah, that's what I got. I combined all three together. They're all kind of mediocre, but it's last minute. And the time is now 12:12. I've been at this for 2 hours. Obviously, it would have taken a lot less time if I had only done one, because it's last minute, but I did 3. And most of the time was spent waiting for the latex to dry. So, yeah. But that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this hopefully short video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, get off my channel. If you want some more content, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell for more notifications for when I upload. I upload every week, so that's a promise. Once again, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye! That moment when you got fake blood all over your camera. Oof. My favorite part. Do 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 do. Ah, it's gonna be fun taking off, and my face is gonna be stained red. It's foundation week. Okay, bye, for real.